Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I had shown you how to insert the data and create the collection databases as well using MongoDB Compass. In this video, I will show you how to create the databases collection and insert the data into the MongoDB databases using CMD. For creating the databases collection and inserting the data into MongoDB, we need to open the CMD. In the CMD, we need to run some commands. First command is run to the MongoDB server. Then we need to run mongoose for, for inserting the data and creating the databases and collection. So let's go to our CMD. In Windows, in keyboard, you type window plus R button, then typed CMD and enter button. Now you will see one CMD will open. In here you need to run mongo d command. First command is mongo d command. Mongo d command is run the MongoDB server first one. Then another command is mongoose command. The mongoose command is used to interact the MongoDB server for inserting the data or creating the databases or collection. So let's run first command mongod command, entering it. It will take some times. So let's wait. Yeah, it is stopped. Let's check why. So going little bit up and checking the logs. Now you can see here there is a data directory. You need to create this directory first one, then this will work, otherwise it will not work. So I'm going to our C drive and creating the folder data and DB. This is required if you are running the MongoDB server by using CMD. So I'm going to our C drive. Where is C? Yeah. Here I'm going to create the folder data, enter it, in, go to data folder. In here you need to create another folder DB. This is the folder structure you need to follow. You can see the logs as well. You can see here in the logs MongoDB logs data slash DB is required. That if you are running the MongoDB server in CMD. So let's clear this screen and run again same command. Yeah, now it is up. Let's go to our data folder. Let's see any data is appear or not after creating the folder. So going to data folder, going to DB. In here you can see multiple datas appear. All the created databases and collection will appear in this folder if we have created the databases and collection. So let's go to our CMD and open another CMD for running the mongoose. This this command no need to close this because this is required to run in background. So let's go to open another command by pressing window R button. In here type CMD and type mongoose. Let's check. Mongoose is not recommended as an internal or external operable program. That is not found. So I think mongoose command is not there in our system. So let's go to our programs files and see mongoose is there or not. So where is the going to C drive programs files? Where is programs files? Yeah. Now go to MongoDB. Where is MongoDB? MongoDB. Yeah, MongoDB. Go to server. Go to version. MongoDB server version. Go to win. In here mongoose server is not there, so that's why it is giving command not found. This type of error you can also face if you are going to create the databases, collections, and inserting the data using CMD because mongoose is required for CMD. So let's go to our Chrome browser and search mongoose download in the Chrome browser and enter it, and you need to scroll down. This is the URL where you need to download this one, mongodb.com try download cell. This is required. This is the mongoose for interacting the MongoDB server using CMD. So I'm going to select package as a MSI and clicking the download button. Now it is going to download. Wait until it is not downloaded. After downloaded this, we need to install this one and run again mongoose command. I hope it will work after that because mongoose is required for creating the databases collections using CMD. Now it is downloaded. Let's go to our download folder and install this one, mongoose SS. All these information I will provide in the description. You can follow description if you are facing any issue. You can also comment. Now I'm going to run this on, install it. Let's wait until it is not completed. Yeah, now it is completed, and let's see. Here it is not appear. Now let's open another CMD because in here it will not found. It is previous one CMD. So closing this one, opening another CMD using same command Windows R and CMD. Enter it. Here type mongoose sh. Now let's check what will happen. Yeah, now it is up. It is connecting our MongoDB server. If we have closed the MongoDB server, then it will not work. Just I'm closing previous one MongoDB server. Now it is closed, and let's check MongoDB Mongo mongoose. So just click now. Run this command. Okay, I think it is connecting the another MongoDB server which is running. Just 1 minute. We need to run this one. Again running this one. I think let's check in the service. I think MongoDB server is running. So open this one. Yeah, let's check in services. Yeah, actually MongoDB server is running, so that's why it is connected. And if we stopped this one and now it is stopped, you can see here MongoDB server is stopped. You can see, and let's go to our CMD, and this is also closed. Now let's run MongoDB. Let's run mongoose and check it is connected or not. It is refused. Now it is refused. So let's go to another CMD, previous CMD. In here, let's run the MongoDB and check what will happen. Yeah, now it is up, and let's let's run in mongoose as well and check it is connected or not. Yeah, now it is connected. So previous one, I have stopped the MongoDB which is running in CMD, and it is connected because in services it is already running in background. So I have stopped services which is running in background and using CMD. So I'm closing this one, and there is a command which you need to create or switch to existing databases. So just type use just type use db1. This command is first check that databases is already there or not. If that databases is already there, then it is just switched. If that databases is not there, then it will create the new databases and switch that databases. So I am entering it. Now it is switched because this databases is already not there. So here there is a command show collections. This command is used for showing the all created collection. There is no collection, so it is showing empty. Let's create the let's create collection. So just type db dot db dot employee. This is the collection name and type insert. In insert, we need to define the JSON data. So we are going to add emp name as a John and emp id. We are going to add 289 28959090. Now let's also add location. In location, we are going to pass USA. US. Enter it, then it will insert in EMP collection. EMP collection. First, it will check that that collection is there or not. If EMP collection is not there, then it will create the new collection and insert this data. If that collection is already there, then just it is inserted in that collection. So I'm going to enter. Let's check what happened. It is duplicated. Okay, we need to use insertOne or insertMany. InsertMany we need to use if we are inserting the multiple data, and insertOne is used for inserting one data. So right now I am going to insert one data and enter it. Now it is giving the acknowledge and it is inserted. Let's check our collections. Now it is appear emp, and for checking the data you need to just follow db.emp.find find. Enter it, you will see this data is appear here. Why it is inserted two time? Yeah, it is inserted two time because it is giving the deprecated and it is also inserted the data. It is just provide a warning and inserted that data. In second time it is also inserted second data with the same employee name, ID and location. And MongoDB is auto generated the ID. You can see here ID name. So if you if you want to see a pretty data like in JSON format, so db emp dot find dot pretty command you need to follow. So here we need to add as a method type. Enter it. You can see it is giving in a pretty way. So in this video, I have shown you how to set up the mongoose and create the databases using use command and create the collection and insert the one data, and also how to retrieve the data. This is also shown in this video. If you like my video, you subscribe my channel so that you can get further update in upcoming session like how to how to find one particular data, like in SQL we are retrieving, and how to update the data, how to delete the data using CMD as well as MongoDB Compass. So thank you for watching my video and share and subscribe my video. Thank you.